So for him, we're working upper back and neck. He's a big guy, right? I want to get in there, but I don't want to exhaust myself. I don't want to damage myself, the reactive force into my body. I want to minimize that. So I do things like I'll get under his shoulder. So I'll do this side over here. And how are we doing? Anything I have to worry about in there?
Well, no, my neck is jacked up usually, but not right now.
What a great disclaimer, huh? Like, so I can suit here very shortly. Ah, no, just forgot to tell you about this and that. So, again, using balm, not oil, too much emollient. If you want balm, by the way, it's those little white tubs back there. You can play with that, but it gives you a lot more pull the whole time. You're always going to be able to control skin. He's going to feel like the work's substantial. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and put my knee under his shoulder. Okay. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get my knee or my leg right under the shoulder joint. I'm not trying to be under his arm because that's just kind of like breaking his arm. I want to be under the joint. The way that I get under that joint is I take my knee, I try to lift his arm as close to the joint as I can, so I'm not out here, you know. I come under, and I say put my knee in his ear. And what that does is, when I come across here, my tush is off the table, my knee goes towards his ear, his shoulder drops over, and then I can sit down. And the way I know I've got a good grab is if I put my hand on his tricep and I just kind of fall off the table, he should go. Creates traction there, right? So already I'm getting some good pull. Now that I've got a pretty good grip, I know I'm under the joint proper, I'm going to kind of sit on the table, push over a little bit, so I'm very comfortable and relaxed. Now holding myself out here with just this leg, which is tiring, okay? How we feel?
Good.
And then, you know, I'm going to do a lot of stuff. I'm going to traction out, I'm going to lean in. So ideally, if I have 90 degrees here, that's my deepest, that's kind of most of my body weight in. That's a little light, but that's kind of my heaviest. So that get up, if I want to be heavier and I want to do that without hurting myself, I just kind of get over myself a little bit more. How's the pressure?
It's good. It's about a 6 out of 10.
Good. Good feedback. Look at that. Go all the way down. When I come back, I can just really heavy, come up over the trap, retrospinal group. If I'm having a hard time, like it's just really tight muscle, I'm kind of surfing that wave, and so all of a sudden I feel like if I try to get deeper, I pop off, so I'm kind of compromising. If I just take this hand and ground it anywhere he can't see, doesn't matter, right? But that becomes very stable at that point. I can do it here too, and I can use it like a big thumb because I can really guide it when it's grounded. If it's not grounded, it kind of is unstable. When I ground it anywhere, it becomes very stable. So that's just one technique to really help that elbow do what it's supposed to do. Come under, I can lean away, pull, I can pull back. I like to pull back. Thai massage, one of the things they do is they're very relaxed in their work. So here I'm pulling up with all my effort and I get a good pull, or I could just take a nice deep breath and look at the wall behind me, and he should come up pretty good with that. I can't really see him, but I get a good pull and I come back. Feel the shoulder kind of crunching a bit. So I'm just working that whole angle, coming around, pull off, I come out here. I can play with the joint a bit. Play with things, figure stuff out. I can do it with my arm too. A lot of trigger point work in here for you, right? I'll come all the way down, pull the hand, his whole body comes across with me, comes over there. I get a lot of wrist action there, pops, that kind of stuff, pull through. I can come back here and work. It's a nice position. Very calm for me, very easy. I got all my body with just that shoulder joint. So I might be able to win that battle, okay? But when I'm out here by myself and I just have my arm or I'm doing this stuff, all this body's kind of wasted, so I'm trying to get all that right over what I'm working on. When I come out of it, I tend to, we'd have more emollient, but I just come out. It's kind of this is a cattywampus thing. It works for me. Only incorporate stuff that works well for you and doesn't tweak you anywhere or feel funny. I spent a lot of years doing jiu-jitsu, which is a ground kind of wrestling martial arts sort of thing. And so I'm into oppositions a lot. And so when I come out, I just come out here. I reach under. I might pull that way, or I'll come under here. I push with one hand, and once pull out the other side, and have this nice big kind of drag that comes down. I kind of finish with that, and I work out some stuff in the hands. That's just kind of the basic, helps me get in there really, really heavy three-dimensionally.